segment of the market. We have from lowest budget plan, SOS, we have BDA, and we have FiberX. On top of connectivity, we put already, you can see, we have content. Nakita mo nandun na yung content plus, mga content natin, mga video, mga channel. You can up to 100 plus channel. In future, we have video on demand on that. You can see the new product we have in karaoke. Mga Pilipino mahilig sa entertainment. Just single experience box. You don't need to add to a subscription na lang. And then that karaoke, you can have a competition among your family or among your regional, among your anywhere in the Philippines. And then we have soon the streaming on the cloud gaming. No? So hopefully we have also come up with the virtual machines. A lot of the Filipino homes they don't without computer yet. They just do subscribe and wireless mouse and wireless keyboard, and they can do per day or per week or per month using the computer and access the internet in the world. Right? So this is coming out with the consumer side. In the SME, you can see meron tayong mga sample for hotel, for restaurants, and then we have a voice package. This is a business packages. In terms of the stronger on the cloud services, nandiyan na yung mga AI solutions. We have also international, global. Ano naman global? International cable, cloud platform. On the future, kasi nagawa na convert yung ating basic infrastructure connectivity. Next level is the computing. Nandiyan yung cloud. Ano kung tapos cloud platform? And yun ang sinasabi natin end-to-end digital transformation. So, ito, dinaredy na natin to able to serve our enterprise. Not only enterprise, including public sector. So, mas mabilis ang mga digital access, convenient, efficiency, everything is there.
Sir, taon-taon po nananalo kayo sa UCLA. Laging nasa-sweet yung award sa UCLA. Paano niyo po ginagawa yun?
At the end of the day, the design of the infrastructure is so important. To able to keep latency, agile in terms of video. Kasi ang network ng Converge is the youngest and latest technology among the operator today. In fact, we are the 100%, kaya kinaklaim namin, pure fiber. So that's the reason you have that good quality to the consumer, and you make sure and certain usage we need to upgrade already para hindi mag-suffer yung customer. That's always we monitor that.
Sir, I know Converge has already tried its hands on mobile technology. You were part of the bidding for the third telco, hindi kayo nagpano sa bidding for the third telco. Sir, are you willing again to open up again? If there's a possibility na mag-open up ang mobile telephone access sa Philippines, are you willing to join? Are you willing to build out your own mobile telephone?
Well, yung mobile, if you want to be successful, the frequency should be kaakibat ng technology, ng infrastructure. Kung yung technology, yung frequency mo, halos nandiyan na, disputed na. Kaya na sinong player papasok dyan, you cannot compete anymore. So with the Konektado Pinoy today, hopefully yung bill, baka iyan na yung ng gobyerno, ang tinatawag niyan, frequency sharing usage, including infrastructure sharing. Once na meron tayong opportunity to serve our public and consumer, why not? But we just wait the regulation coming out.
Sir, are we ready for the $3 trillion cyber security industry in the ASEAN region?
Yes, cybersecurity. Actually, there's a lot of technology coming up. Cybersecurity, I'm always telling my people, the threat of the security, 80-90% is from internal. So it's a process, it's education. You need to let the people to understand. So as early as now, I tell you, Singapore, even China, even US, the curriculum of the school, grade school, is already teaching the young people to how to prevent the fraud and all these things. It's back to basic education. And then if you're talking about technology, there's a lot of new technology we need to do proactively, not reactively. Cybersecurity, always we can see we are reactively after event as we find the problem. We need to have tools to able to counter, to do proactively, not reactively. So there's a solution na lang.
Sir, about naman po sa content, I know na you are na you are now building out the Sky TV platform, merong mga, well, personally, merong mga ibang mga former Sky TV stars na nagreklamo na hindi sa naabot ng Sky TV. How are you addressing yung issues na yung ibang mga former Sky TV stars, hindi pa sila nagka-turn over to the Converge Fiber platform? Tuloy-tuloy ba rin mo bang build out ng fiber ng
Yes. Actually, meron tayong galing medyo pa, pwede pa, ayaw natin gumalaw. This is our culture. In fact, 35% of the subscriber today, pag pinapalitan namin, bakit kung papalitan? Okay naman kami. Right? So, that's it's the end of life technology. Ha? We need to we need to change and we need to kailangan sundan na natin yung technology. In fact, we went to door, we went to the houses. It's not even the infrastructure not ready. Hopefully by next year, we want to wipe out everything. Even if not ready, we will shut down. Because there's no economical running traditional network. In terms of operational expenses, power consumption is unnecessary. So we need to transfer to IP technology, which is, we have the showcase here. You can see the quality is a lot better than all traditional. So, and you have more channels. And you have more, not channels, you have more options. You have varieties of services. Imagine karaoke, imagine virtual machine, cloud gaming, smart homes on the future. Even yung mga matatanda sa bahay, lagyan mo ng camera, nakikita mo na sa cellphone mo. Nababantayan mo yung bahay kaya na natatrabaho ka. All these things we will create the whole ecosystem to support the digital homes.
may timeline na po ba for the shutdown ng Sky TV?
Next year, I think by January, we should shut down the election.
And additional content po kasi may ibang mga subscribers dito parang nagreklamo siya na parang kulang po yata ang content ng Sky TV. And
We're talking to content now. Every now, content is already in. Wala na doon sa traditional. You can see HBO, CNN, they go directly to the app. Right? Even the sports, NBA, you can subscribe now on the app. Netflix also on the app. So, do we want to be duplicated? That's another challenge, right? So, let the free flow. The customer want to, because all traditional content is not cheap. Right? So, if you go to OTT, that's like all over you can download. And then HBO to go, so many. So, you can go mobile already. And future, in due time, pag na-link natin yan, meron tayong OTT tapos meron din tayo traditional IPTV. So the content at home, you can bring to the home. Yun ang gagawin natin.
Sir Vice President Sara Duterte earlier said sa speech niya kanina sa taas na technology and digitalization could, fight against corruption. What are your thoughts on that?
Actually, all over the world, digitalization is already far away from us. You can see efficiency in other countries, how fast. All fingertips. Less human intervention, less corruption. That's important. Then you have the system. You can track all the individual, then you cannot track. So it's a lot of transformation we need to bring this country. In fact, we are far. We are number 2 to last in Southeast Asia. It's about time. We need to focus. All sectors should be work together. Government cannot do alone with private sector like this, with young people, especially Gen Z. We need to work together to transform our country, or else we will left behind.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.